Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and happy Hanukkah. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can make Hanukkah special in your home, especially if you're hosting it for the very first time or just for your family like I know many of us are this year, including myself. So I wanted to share with you guys a way to make Hanukkah and the Hanukkah night really special throughout all the 8 nights of Hanukkah. Okay, so welcome to my kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Marian and I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. So if you like this one, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know to make more of this kind of content. And also hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more of my videos. I am going to be doing Vlognica, which means I'm going to be vlogging during the 8 nights of Hanukkah, so you don't want to miss those. And if you just want to see more of me and my Jewish family, definitely follow me on Instagram. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a latke bar. So I love making latke bars whenever I host Hanukkah dinner or a Hanukkah party. This year it's just going to be me and my family, but it's still a really nice way to make the night special. So I just finished making my latkes. I will link my recipe down below. It's very easy. I did just want to add one extra tip this year, which is that I had fried them. I fried my latkes in my Le Creuset Dutch oven, and oh my goodness, it was so much easier. Way less splatter, way more even heat. I had read about this doing some latke investigation this year. Highly recommend. Okay, so all you need to do is start with some latkes. By the way, if you don't want to make them at home and you live near a Trader Joe's makes the best frozen latkes. Highly recommend. Of course, nothing compares to homemade, but very much second best. Okay, so I've got my latkes. Those are ready to go. And then all I've done is take out some servingware platters. I'm not sure how much you guys can see in the camera, but I will zoom in and show you guys what I got going on. I like to start with a clean base. This is like a cheese board, cutting board type of thing, enough to hold the latkes. And then I've just got whatever I've got in the house. These are my Annieglass servingware. I've shown them to you guys all the time because they're my favorite. And then just some little bowls here. I've gone with like a gold theme, which is very on brand for Hanukkah because of the gelt. I also have this little serving tray, so I'm not exactly sure what is going to go where yet. I just kind of go with the flow, but I'll talk to you guys through how I do it. And then for extra decor, I just use some dreidels. These are from Target this year. I think they're really cute, these big wooden dreidels. And then I have some silver ones from last year. These are from Peace, Love, and Light Shop, which I will link below. And that's about it. Let me show you guys the ingredients I have for the rest of my latke board. Okay, so aside from the latkes themselves, I'm working with a dairy spread to keep it kosher because I really wanted to go with my main star ingredient of sour cream. That's my favorite latke topping. Sour cream and applesauce is the go-to traditional one, but this board we're going a little more like a brunch, kind of more of a meal. So I've got mozzarella cheese, olives, tomatoes, a skug spread. This is an Israeli spread. This one's from Trader Joe's. You can also switch for guacamole if you were in the mood, but that's like a spicy one. I have some dill for toppings, and this is the real star of the show, some smoked salmon or lox. So those are the parts I'm going to be putting together. Once I've added it all to the board area, I'm going to see how it looks, see if I need to add anything else, and just kind of go with the flow. So like I said, these are my main platters and decorations that I'll be working with. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is putting all my latkes on this cheese board or serving board. I really like how they look piled up like that. And then I'm just going to prep my ingredients. I'm starting with my lox, and I have a little tip and trick to make your lox look really plentiful on the platter, which is to take each thin slice, spread it out, cut it in half, and then roll it up. I think this looks really beautiful on a serving platter, and it really helps it look like more than it is because lox can be so expensive. And then this mozzarella cheese was actually pre-sliced. I didn't even realize that, from Trader Joe's, so that was nice. So I'm just spreading that out next to the lox. When I'm arranging a platter like this, I really just like to have big blocks of color and to have everything look really plentiful. Again, I'm just using the dill as sort of decoration there, but it's also a good flavor profile with the rest of the things going on. Then of course I've got my sour cream, which I just put in a little bowl and then my tomatoes and my olives. Again, I'm just going with flavors that my family likes. This is kind of inspired by a bagel brunch kind of meal, but it's perfect for dinner with the latkes. And then again, I'm just going with color blocks here. I'm adding avocado, and next up is going to be some pickles. So again, the flavors just work well together, and they're things that my family really enjoys. And I'm just playing around with it and move things around, see how it works here and there, and just really eye it. I've made a few of these down the years, so I really just enjoy trying it out and being creative. And this is what it looks like all finished. Here's the spread. I just sprinkled some dreidels around, added the sklug in a little bowl, and put it all out nicely so everyone can make their own latkes for this beautiful latke bar. Here is my finished latke bar spread. Everything you need for a really delicious Hanukkah meal. This is a way to keep it light and simple and really fun, and of course you can change up the toppings depending on what your family likes. But I think putting it out like this, let everyone making their own latke toppings and little latkes is really fun. Decorating with some simple dreidels and some fresh flowers really goes a long way in making your Hanukkah meal look festive and beautiful. So I hope you like this idea. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!